Hi, I'm Dr. Liza Capiendo.
I'm Dr. Iman Faruzmand.
And I'm Dr. Gary Hoffman. We are colon and rectal surgeons with Los Angeles Colon and Rectal Surgical Associates in Beverly Hills, California, and at Cedars-Sinai Medical Center. Colon cleanse. How many times in 1 week do I hear, can I take a colon cleanse? Or even worse, I hear, I take a colon cleanse. And I just groan and put my head down because I have to launch into a long explanation about something that just not only doesn't work, it's not good for you. So colon cleanse, yes or no? Well, yes, if you're the company, you're going to make a lot of money selling the colon cleanser. No, if you're the patient, because you don't need it. Here's why you don't need it. Because what'll happen is you'll take something, whatever your favorite cleanser is, and you'll have a big bowel movement and you'll feel great until 3 days from now, when you'll need another one, and another, and then you'll convince yourself that you have a lazy colon, or a floppy colon, or a colon that doesn't work, and you have to take a colon cleanse. Well, you brought it on yourself. And here's another aspect about colon cleanse before I tell you what they are. The other end, sometimes people go in and they get colon cleansing enemas. And I will tell you, or I tell the patients, not good for you. And they say, why? They showed me all the stuff that they got out, the toxins. And then I explained to them that what they put in the enema is water with psyllium. Psyllium is a fiber, psyllium is brown, and when it absorbs fiber, it looks like big clumps. So they put in a whole bunch of water and psyllium, they let it sit there, you have a bowel movement, and lo and behold, out comes stuff. Maybe some of your own stuff, maybe some of the stuff that they put in, but they are now convinced that this colon cleanse from below is the way to go, and it's not. Well, what is in common popular colon cleansers? Most of them are based on senna, and you can see them in all kind of preparations. Swiss Chris, to name one, but a whole host of others. If you look, they are a member of the senna family. Well, what does senna do? Well, it does two things. Take it long enough, it'll turn your colon black. That's called melanosis coli, and although it's not dangerous, an endoscopist looking at your colon will see it and will know what you're doing. But what else does it do? Well, it forces your bowels to squeeze down, your colon to squeeze down and squeeze out stool where there may be none. And now, do it enough and you're hooked on it. You don't need it, it's expensive, it doesn't work, it doesn't do anything, it just causes you misery down the road, and it gets the owners of the company that make the stuff wealthy. So colon cleanse, yes or no? Yes, if you own the product and you're the company. No, if you're the patient. And no, if you want to come see me and expect to get a good answer. Colon cleanse, no.